Hi children, welcome back to the Max class. So easy conceptual learning by Saujanya. We are going to continue as I have done the previous videos. We have completed the conceptual learning of all the 4 exercises. So now let us go into the problems of 8.4, that is the last exercise in trigonometry. So for examples, I am taking some questions from evaluation and some questions from the proofs. Okay, so maybe I will not be able to tell each and every question in the exercise, but depending on these, listen carefully and try to solve those problems. If there is anything, please post me in my comment section to continue the video. Okay children, so that I can solve the problems which are being asked and I can make a video for them to help out them. Okay, getting back into the video, here is a question from 8.4, that is to evaluate. So usually first thing what you should get into your mind when you see a question like evaluate means you usually get a numerical value. That means as you solve all these trigonometric ratios, you should get a numerical value. That means a number. Evaluate means that. Okay, so mostly so many of you might think why how do we get that numerical values using this. So here I will tell you, trigonometry is a linked topic where even in the last exercise, you should be able to recollect all the trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities and trigonometric angles which are told in the previous exercises. Okay, so this is a very linked topic. That means you cannot assess or you cannot think that this is only from certain topic. They are mixed together. So let us see how to solve it to get a numerical value. Okay, so I hope you understood the thing of evaluate. Evaluate, whenever you see a heading, please get into your mind that you should get a numerical value as an answer. So once when you assess how you will get the answer, you can easily solve it. Right. So here is a question given that sine square 63 degrees plus sine square 27 degrees by cos square 17 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees. But as far as I told you previously, when you have numbers of different trigonometric ratios, if you observe that both are complements, that means if you add the two angles, you should get 90. So 63 plus 27 is how much? Yes, 90, no? Yes, so that means these both are complements. They are called complements. In the same manner, if you observe in the denominator, 17 and 73 are complements. Okay, so if you have numbers like complements, very easily we can change the angle. Yes or no? We can change the angle. Now let us see how we will change the angle. Sine square 63 plus sine square 27 degrees. Okay, sine square 27. So I'm changing the second angle. You can change the first angle also. There is no issue. No one is going to object you. Is that clear? Sine square 27. See, sine square. Okay, sine square. So now how you have to write? First and foremost, write this trigonometric ratio as it is. Write the value of 27 in terms. That means 90 minus 63. Yes or no? 90 degrees minus 63 only will give you 27 degrees. By similar manner, cos square 17 degrees. Okay, so 17 degrees plus cos square 90 minus 17. Children, we are able to change this because they are complements. Okay, when you look at them, you should get into your mind that they are under squares and these numbers are complements to one another, so that they can be brought into the same thing or different things to get cancelled or to bring into an identities. Look here now. Now you look here. Whenever you are writing the evaluation process, put them, don't put is equals to and leave children. Okay, sine square. Now let us see third step. Sine square 63 degrees plus sine square of 90. I told you whenever these are the changing angles, yes or no? So whenever you get 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta, sine completely changes to cos square, that is cos square 63 degrees. You can either put it in a bracket or you can just leave it alone, because however you can remove it. There is no compulsion that you have to put it in the bracket. You can write cos square 63 degrees by cos square 17 degrees plus cos square of 90 minus 17, that is sine square 17 degrees. That is, now look here everyone, now I am going to change, I just want to change the places. Sine square 63 degrees plus cos square 63 degrees by a plus b is always equal to b plus a. As far as the things where we have learned the properties of the whole numbers and all, it is applicable everywhere actually. So cos is having a positive sign and sine is having a positive sign. So you can even exchange their places. So sine square 17 degrees plus cos square 17 degrees. Why I changed? Because in order to make it into an identity, because you know the identity only in the form of sine square theta plus cos square theta. So that is the reason we interchanged their places. Okay. So now see, theta is equal. Theta can be theta or angle. You may get an angle also, but there is no necessity to write the value of the angle. Now see, sine square 63 degrees plus cos square 63 degrees by sine square 17 degrees plus cos square 17. See, now see, angle is the same here. That means it is under theta. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Yes. So 1 by, even these both are same. The thetas are same. If the thetas are different, we cannot do it. That is the reason we have converted and changed it and brought them into the same thing. Okay. So 1 by 1, that is equals to 1. So the final answer is 1 here. Did you observe, children? Here we are having a question, a different question in a form of fraction. Okay, in a form of fraction. How? Sine square 63 degrees plus sine square 27 degrees by cos square 17 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees. Now here I have converted sine, second one, that is sine square 27. I did not convert. See, you can even convert this one. Okay, once you get, you can write sine to the front position and write cos to the next position and write in the form of a trigonometric identity. So whenever you write this, do remember that when you are writing this, it is really a fetching for you that you have to mention at the side of this that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So that means by using this identity, I have written 1 here for both of them, for the numerator as well as the denominator. So that is why my ultimate answer is 1. So did you get the numerical value, children? Yes. Yes. This is how actually we are going to write we are going to solve. That means solve all the trigonometric ratios. They are very simple actually. If you just have trigonometric ratios, their reciprocals and the angles, that means the trigonometric table, and the identities into your mind completely, it's very easy actually to identify and to solve these problems. So hope that you understood this one. Okay, so please convert them as per the things whatever you have in your mind, and then ultimately we are going to do this. Okay children, thank you for watching. In the next video we are going for the proofs. So almost most probably all the proofs I'm going to solve them for you to do, but some of them I'm going to leave them so that you can practice them. If there is any necessity, please send me in my comment section, so that surely I'll make you a video for that and help you out to complete this chapter and enjoy this chapter. Thank you children. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.